How to change Instagram group profile picture. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the group photo on Instagram in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened the Instagram app, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in your DM section, simply navigate to the group chat where you want to change the photo. And once you are inside the group chat, simply tap on the group name at the top, and this will open the group settings page. Now here, simply look for the option that says change name and image and simply tap on it. Now here, before changing a new profile picture, simply remove the old one by tapping on the cross icon. And here you will be provided different cartoonic photos, so you can choose your profile picture from there, or you can even choose your photo from your phone gallery. And once you have selected your photo, simply tap on the done button, and that's it. That's how you can change your Instagram group profile picture. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.